Hello children, are you all ready to go to the next lesson in English? Yeah, open your term 2 textbook. Now, let's look into lesson number 3, that is the park. Right? Open to page number 30. Now, this lesson goes on with good number of characters and lot of conversation between the characters. So, I would be giving you the gist of the lesson so that you can read the lesson and understand what each character is talking about. Right? So, on to page number 30, we have got characters like Rinku, Kuku, Tarun, Sanjeev, Naina, Saif, Pratik, Mr. and Mrs. Sundarlal, Sher Singh the driver, and various neighbors, boys and girls of different age groups. Right? So these are all the characters that are related in this particular story. Now this story has got 3 scenes mainly, and in scene 1 we can see that there is a vacant plot. Vacant plot is an empty land. Okay? Vacant means empty. Plot is a land. So that land belongs to the owner. His name is Sundarlal. Okay? So this vacant plot is there in Kirti Nagar. So this whole story runs about the colony of Kirti Nagar. So this plot has got lots and lots of bushes, trees, and it has been unused for a long period of time. And this particular plot owner, that is Sundarlal, he wants to construct some other company on this particular land. Okay, so it is being left vacant for a lot period of time, and there are many apartments by the side of the plot, and there are good number of children. Okay, so mainly the important character in this particular story goes around with Rinku. So Rinku has got an idea. He wants to collect all the children to go ahead that the empty plot has to be converted into a park, because there is a lot of pollution in the city, and then factories here and there is lot number of traffic around. So he wants to convert or change this particular empty land into a park where many children can come and play. The elders can come and sit in the evening. The people can have men, women can have a walk around the park. So he wants to change that. He got an idea. Then he collected few of his friends. Okay, but those friends like Kuku, Saif, Tarun, and then Naina, they said like we appreciate your idea, Rinku, but it is not possible because the landowner is a very strong man. He may not like to do it, and we are children, and what we can do, we do not have the materials like spade and all to cut all the trees. So these people, the children do not want to support Rinku. But Rinku recalls saying that he has participated in a small rally where he gathered few children, Rinku gathered few children, and they went around the Kirti Nagar colony shouting that down with pollution, find a solution, because they wanted, these young children, they wanted to reduce the pollution by making this vacant land into a park. And many people at that time they gathered, but now nobody is coming forward to help Rinku. So Rinku is trying all his level best to convince his friends, and his friends are telling like we are only few children, how can we do it? Then again in the scene 1 we can see that a big group of children, they come, all his friends, Rinku and his friends, they hear a voice wherein when they turn and see, they can see a big group of children coming towards Rinku. All the children, they wanted to support Rinku in turning this plot into a park. So Rinku is very happy. He has seen, we can do so many things now. All of us are together. And then each one of the child, they come forward, they say, yeah, I'll give a bench, I will donate a bench to the park, and I will donate some plants to the park, and I will provide a swing in the park. Okay, so each child comes forward with an idea of donation also. So Rinku is very, very happy in seeing that he has got good number of friends behind. Now, when it comes to scene 2, all the children are busy, the elders are also busy changing the empty land into a park. Okay, so they tie the tires, they try to take tires and make it as a swing. They try to put some benches and cut down all the unwanted trees, plant new small baby plants, and they are making this beautiful land into a very greenery one. Okay, they are trying to solve all the ecological problems which are there on that particular area. So everyone are happy to see that this complete empty land is now changing into a beautiful park. So one of the child over there tells that Kirtinagar will have the best park. The other friend like Tarun, he tells it is the best park in the Delhi, and all the children, they come and shout, this is the best park in India. So together they work in scene 2. Now when it comes to scene 3, some children, they come forward to meet Sundarlal as he is the owner of the land. So they try to convince him, but he is not convinced. So they say that Sundarlal is going to come to check his plot. So now children are discussing how to approach Sundarlal, because once he sees all this, he may be very angry with the children, or they do not know what is he going to do. So when they were discussing, suddenly they hear a voice, they hear a car sound. When they turn, they can see Mr. and Mrs. Sundarlal getting down from the car. And Mr. Sundarlal is so surprised to see that his empty land has been converted into a beautiful park. So his wife Mrs. Sundarlal is so surprised. She says, my dear husband, you wanted to give me a surprise like this without letting me know? So they both walk together into the park. Children are afraid, they take a step back, but Sundarlal is very happy in this conversion. He calls all the children, he appreciates them, saying that you have done a very good job. Then after that, Sundarlal puts up a signboard saying that it is Kamla Lal's Children's Park. Okay, so this is how the whole scenario goes about. A small lesson wherein an idea of changing empty land into a park is taken up. So from this lesson, we learn, children, that we have to protect our nature. Okay, children are the future generation. If you know that if we protect our nature, nature will definitely protect us. Okay, see that trees are not cut down. Do not waste papers. Okay, we get papers from the trees, right? So many trees are cut down to make the papers, and we as children, we write, we tear the paper. We write, we tear the paper, right? So that should not be done. Okay, we have to protect our own nature, right? I hope you have enjoyed the lesson, children. Thank you.